Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 72 F100 for you. This purrs. Go through everything that works. See? It's got a stereo in it, and I see it powers up. Check and see. I don't seem to have any speaker noise there, so that may need something there. Blinker on the left works. Blinker on the right works. Horn works. Wipers work. Fan works. Doesn't seem to work, so maybe the dome light would be the only thing that I don't know about the tank switch. They really run nice and smooth. Sounds good. Got 390 in it. Headlights. Exhaust sounds good. Tail light. So except for the dome light, that would be the only thing. Gas gauge appears to be working. It's over a quarter. Don't know about the temp gauge. It isn't warm enough yet. So, any questions? Give me a call. 605-695-7391.